I got water leaking in the duct down there. It just rained, but I mean, this unit's been up here for a while. Water. Maybe the fucking drain's plugged or something. Let's see. Interesting. That's how we do it. Plugged up drain. Shot it bing, gotta move. Sometimes you gotta do some gross shit. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta do some gross shit. So let's see if the panel is full. That drain was plugged for sure. Oil brush. Let me pull these filters. Let's see what's up. Figures it would start fucking raining. Yeah, let me get my power washer up here. Clean this fucking coil real quick. Alright. Got it all micro evap vipered up. Sure we're draining good. A little drippy.